We are dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are.
Alright, let's see. Let's see what it's looking like. Alright, do y'all believe in this weight right here? I kinda don't, but we gonna go for it anyway. Alright, let's see. Alright. There we go. 1, 2, 3. That's good right there. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. And 1, 2. 1, 2. Perfect. 1, 2. Hold that. Boom. Yeah, look over there again. And put your chin up. Boom. I'm gonna get you to do a kneel. I'm gonna get you to do kind of like a kneel like this, and you can face that way. Yeah. All right. Give me 1 second, cause the sun just closed up, so I gotta adjust my settings. All right. Oh, you got good knees. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Let's see. I like this. There we go. 1, 2, 3. That's the angle right here. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Perfect. All right, let me see what that looked like. So I'll probably get you on this edge. Yeah. And kind of sitting. Boom. There we go. Alright. I'm gonna get my light set up again. Alright. And then I think curve your body this way, around this way. Yeah, boom. All right. Okay, so I'm at 1/5,000, and honestly, if I was shooting this any other day with high-speed sync, my battery would have died by now. The AD300 battery isn't as long lasting, right? Compared to my 200. I notice a difference in power, but it dies drastically quicker. So the fact that I'm able to shoot this at damn near full power, and we've been going for a while now, pretty amazing. All right, here we go. 1, 2. Perfect.
you to come over. I wish that you would come and give me something to prove. Won't you pull me closer? I think that I'm obsessed with everything that you do. I'm waiting, trying to be patient. You look like
try to get a different background. Alright, I think that should work right there. Alright. Let's see. Alright, 1, 2, 3. Alright. One, two. Perfect. 1, 2. 1, 2.
I'm ecstatic that you're sticking with me. I'm waiting, trying to be patient. You look like a painting. It's so frustrating. I hate it, yeah.
What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna fire it off. We're gonna wait till it's clear though. Alright. And then I'm gonna be like right there. And then I'm gonna shoot you as you like walk across that way. Yeah. Yeah. And then I'll let you know when to come. We'll probably get like one clear pass every 5 minutes. Every 1 minute. Yeah. All right. All right, you ready? Go ahead.